In this video, I will show you how we can create Azure Template Spec service using ARM template, and also how we can use the same template spec service to provision the required resources. Okay. So as you see in my screen, I am currently in the PowerShell ISC tool. Okay. I have opened a PowerShell script. Okay. That script contains the complete code for this demo. Okay. Before I jump and explain you line by line to how to create a Azure template spec service, and also how you can use the same template spec service to create the Azure resources. Okay. So let me quickly walk you through the required prerequisites. Okay. The first prerequisite is you need to have the AZ PowerShell module installed in your PowerShell. Yeah. And also you need to have, after that, you need to have to connect to Azure account using the connect AZ account command. Yeah. And after that, you need to set the context to your subscriptions where you are doing this task. Okay. Yeah. So as you see here, so after that, I will be quickly walk you through this these course. Okay. That will explain the step by step required to do the required to provision the template specs and how we can use the same to create the Azure resources. Okay. So here you go. Yeah. So here what I'm doing is, so let me give a brief about the what is the template specs before I can explain this, before I explain these codes. Yeah. So template specs is nothing but a service from the Azure which is created out of ARM template. Okay. So ARM template is nothing but a JSON formatted file which we will be using to provision the required resources. Okay. Yeah. So now that service will be automatically converted into template spec service, and that service can be consumed inside the Azure subscription or in the Azure resource deployment, so that you can create a service out of it. Okay. So you might be knowing that there is a similar service with the name template in the Azure. Okay. So that is something like a template registry where we used to create, or where we will be creating the ARM template, and we will be using the same. Okay. So this service is similar kind of it, but there is a big change. Okay. So the change is, there the sharing option was very limited in template service. Okay. But here the sharing option is too wide, because this service is nothing but template spec service, allows you to share the same service to the other users in your subscription or in your tenant. Okay. Via RBAC access. Okay. So that is the big difference in the template specs and the template service in Azure. Okay. Yeah. So with that note, let's quickly jump to this demo. Yeah. So before I explain these the PowerShell code, let me quickly explain the ARM template, which I will be converting that into the template specs. Okay. Yeah. So let me show you that template. So this is the ARM template. Okay, in the JSON format, and this template, I will be converting this template into template spec service, and after that I will use the same template spec service to provision the required Azure resources. Okay, even though you can directly use this this ARM template by using the same commandlet, but here we are achieving the shareability, right, via template spec service. Okay. Yeah. So with that, let me quickly walk you through this the schema of this let me quickly walk you through this ARM template. Yeah, here you go. So this is the schema which will be used in this ARM template. Content version, yeah, parameter. So the parameter which I am using for in the ARM template is the storage account type. Okay, the storage account type is indeed again the allowed values of storage account types, that is the LRS, GRS, ZRS, and the premium LRS. Yeah. And after that, the location. Okay, so the location is again the same as the resource group. Okay, as you see, the default value is from the resource group location itself. Yeah. So these are the parameters I'm using in this template. Yeah. And after that, there is a one variable. So variable name is nothing but the storage accounts. Okay, the storage account is created from the unique string of your resource group. Yeah, nothing but my resource group. Yeah. After that, finally, the storage account is created via this block. Okay, this. Yeah. So this is the block which creates the storage account. This is the storage account type, API version, name, location, SKU. Yeah, this is my SKU with the kind, properties. Okay, so these are I'm defining how my storage account should be. Yeah. And after that, the output. So this ARM template will give an output, and the output name contains the storage account name. Okay. So this is my ARM template definition. Okay. Even though I can consume it as it is, but there is a limitation in the shareability. Okay. Yeah. So to achieve the shareability and to make it more securely shared, okay, we need to go via ARM template specs. Okay. Now I will show you how we can do the same. Yeah. The first one, let me quickly walk you through the script line by line, okay, command by command. So first one, I'm running this command to create a required Azure resource group. Okay, so let me run this. So this is a simple straightforward command, that is the AZ new a new AZ resource group, and the parameter name and the location parameters have been given. Okay, so the resource group is created in the west US2 location. Okay, so here you go. The resource, that is the storage, the resource group is just now created. Yeah, so that is the first command which I ran. After that, what I do is, inside the same resource group, I will be creating a new template spec service, and that template spec service is pointed to the ARM template which I just walked you through. Yeah, so this is the path of that ARM template which I showed you. Yeah, and the name of the template spec is storage spec. Okay, nothing but the ARM template mean to create a storage account. Okay, I'm converting that ARM template into a template specs. Okay, so let me create the template specs pointing to that ARM template. Yeah, so it will take some time and it will get provisioned. Okay, so let's wait, it's currently running it. Yeah, once it is provisioned, I will take you to the subscription where I can show you that the resources have been, these two resources created. Here you go, the template specs service template specs resource is created. Okay, so let me take you to the my subscription. Yeah, this is my subscription. Let me refresh it. Yeah, this is the storage account we just now created. Inside this storage account there should be on template specs resources. Okay, yeah, here you go, this is the template specs resource we just now created. Okay, so here, as I said, like since this is a Azure service, okay, this service can be shared across your tenant, and across your tenant, in the sense you can share this to the other AAD groups users so that they can consume it. Okay, so that is the addendum feature of this ARM template. Okay, nothing but the renamed ARM template, nothing but template specs. Okay, yeah, the renode template specs, a renode ARM template. Yeah, after that, um okay, so now the template specs service is created. Let me use the same template specs service to provision or to spin off my resource. Okay, which is meant to provision via that ARM template. So let me do that. I will create a separate RG for that so that I can store the my storage account in that RG. Yeah, so here you go, the storage account got successfully created. Yeah, here you see, so this is the storage, this is the resource group which I just now created. I will use the same resource group to provision the required services out of ARM template specs. Okay, so first one, I need to get the template specs ID. Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm retrieving that ID via running this command, that is the get AZ template specs. Okay, yeah. So let me see this. Let me see the ID of that. Yeah. So this is my ID. Okay. So finally, I will use this the template specs ID to provision the required resource. Okay. As you see here, the command which I'm using to run that template specs is nothing but the same command which we use to provision the service via ARM template. Okay. Yeah. So that is just a change. Okay. Just a flavor changed. Okay. ARM template flavor changed. Okay. So let me run this command. Okay. So that we will create the required service, required storage account in the new resource group which we created. Yeah, so let's see if that gets created successfully. We need to wait because it's indeed, it is in the backend, it's creating spinning the required services or required resources which we define in the ARM template. Okay, so yeah, once the service is successfully provisioned, that marks our completion of this demo. Okay, so you have, by this you have already learned that how you can use the ARM template and convert into ARM template specs, and after that how you can use the same template specs to provision the required service. Okay, so here what you have achieved is the template ARM template is now become an Azure service, and that service can be shared across your subscription. Okay, yeah, and in a very secure way. Okay, that is because you are sharing it via the Azure RBACs. Okay, so here you go, the last command got run successfully and it has successfully provisioned the required service, that is the storage account. Okay, so this is the storage account which just now we created. Okay, and the parameter and the output are the below one. Okay, So these are the parameters and the output been given out. So after that, let me quickly walk you through take you to the subscription where I can show you the new RG created and the new storage account created. Okay. So this is the RG which we created, and this is the storage account which got created out of ARM template specs. Okay. Yeah. Um, so here we just now showed you end-to-end, okay, end-to-end procedure of that, how you can use create a ARM template, how you can use the ARM template to convert into template specs, and how you can use the template specs to create the required services. Okay. Yeah. So with that note, we have completed the required demo. Thank you for watching our videos. And also one kind request, please do subscribe my channel. That would really encourage me a lot. Okay. With that note, thank you. Thanks.